Welcome to asH Maths. Today we will learn about the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem is a formula that tells you how to find the length of one side of a right triangle if you know the lengths of the other two sides. It's named after the ancient Greek mathematician Pythagoras. In simple terms, it states that in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. So, if A and B are the lengths of the legs of the right triangle and C is the length of the hypotenuse, then the Pythagorean theorem can be written as A squared plus B squared equals C squared. For example, let's say we have a right triangle with one leg that is 3 units long and another leg that is 4 units long. We can find the length of the hypotenuse. We have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We can substitute 3 and 4 for A and B. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. So, 9 plus 16 equals C squared. 9 plus 16 is 25, so 25 equals C squared. Therefore, C is the square root of 25, which equals 5. So, the length of the hypotenuse in this triangle is 5 units. The Pythagorean theorem is a powerful tool for solving many problems, and it's easy to use once you understand it.